Hi everyone, my name is Mary Benham, or Hard Left Yogi. I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial so that you can practice it throughout your yoga class. I suggest practicing it for a month so it becomes a repetition and a muscle memory, and you can start to see changes what these little things do. One of the biggest questions that I get is, where do I put my feet? Well, generally your arms are the same height as you are from fingertip to fingertip. So if I am doing a very wide pose, like a warrior two, I'm going to extend out so that my heels are underneath these wrists. Why? Because my hips are open to the side. It allows a longer distance between my feet. And this is true even for that really extended triangle. All right, so let's talk about warrior one. What's the distance in a warrior one? Well, you take your arms out, and I would say it'd be about mid forearm. Why is that? Because once I go into warrior one, I'm taking these hips, taking the width of the hips out of the width of my stance. So I'm turning my hips forward. Also, because I'm a female, just anybody, but especially females, our hip sockets are a little bit wider. So we don't need to be on a tightrope. We actually need to be standing on train tracks. So then when you lift your arms up, focus on getting your chest more forward than bringing that hip around. It'll come around eventually. That is also the same stance for a crescent lunge or a standard triangle. And a standard triangle is one of those that you go down, grab a hold of the toe, or you're on a block and you have this nice, it's not so much of a split like the extended triangle. Final position is our Egyptians or Eastern stretch or our revolving triangle. Take your arms out, your feet are about underneath your elbows for this one. And that way, when I pivot on my heels, that foot will come around forward, and then I can do my Egyptian or my revolving triangle. Now, granted, your legs might be a little longer, a little shorter, so there might be a little bit of a modification, but those are the general rules. Remember, long poses, you're underneath your wrist. Little bit shorter poses, warrior one, crescent lunges, you're about mid forearm with your feet. And even the shortest poses, you're about the elbow. I hope that helps, guys. Bye.